part of the attraction for people to want to move to Maine are some of the things that make it challenging for us to work here. We've just got a rugged coastline. We've got crazy weather that brings everything from beautiful sunny days to 20-inch snowstorms all within the course of 6 months.
I'm a loader operator over here in the Durham pit. Today I'm responsible for keeping the pit up to code, loading the trucks out, and behaving myself.
We have track crushers, and we have impactors so that we break the oversized, throw the big stuff aside and break it down and haul it to the crusher, which that's hard on equipment and it's hard on cutting edges and teeth.
When we choose equipment, quality is the #1 aspect that we're looking for. We want to buy and use equipment that we know is reliable, it's well supported by the manufacturer, and that we know we can get the job done with. While something like a cutting edge seems so small and insignificant, it really can make a difference in being able to do the job quickly or not.
It's a game changer. I wouldn't want to be doing it with some of the other equipment that's not as good as the CAD stuff.
Ground engaging tools are sacrificial irons designed to protect the bucket. These parts are designed to wear out and be replaced on a frequent basis to extend the life of the bucket or blade on the machine. Customers used to be really good at rotating their cutting edges and flipping them, but machine operators' techniques have changed, edge wear patterns have changed, and what we have found is that sometimes customers aren't getting the full value out of a standard reversible edge because they run it past the point of when it can be flipped. So this single life cutting edge offers an alternative to get the maximum wear out of the pounds of steel on each edge.
With the single cutting edge, it is amazing. When you want a good wearing single cutting edge, this is it.
We have 16 cat loaders. We could save from having to send a mechanic out to flip the edge to get the last bit of life out of it. It's gonna save quite a bit of time for us. That time will translate into savings.
The more time we can keep that machine with the cutting edge in the dirt and out of the shop, the better.